Okay, gas station information. So we have fuel filler door to the left side, auxiliary catch lever to a proper trunk, hood release lever, and then it's inside the door. Fuel filler door opener. It's in the front, underneath the front of the seat. And then, what else can I show you here? There we go. So you have it's 15.9 gallons fuel tank capacity, unleaded, cold tire inflation. I'm going to tell you, this is important. OW20, 5W20, and then you're going to put 4.7. Always put 5 quarts. Just don't miss the entire tank of oil. 22 foot-pounds of torque is the oil plug, the oil bolt, the drain plug. The drain plug is 22 foot-pounds, so use a torque wrench. So your oil. So that's very important information. Alright, you're opening the fuel tank cap. It's right here. It's right there. You just pull up on it just as it says. You pull up on it. Just easy. Pull up and that'll open your fuel tank. And this just twists off. Hang the fuel tank cap on the back of the fuel filler door. I don't do that, but you can do that. I just let it hang or whatever. I never knew you can do that. Closing the fuel tank cap. Turn it until a click sound, or just one click. Just one click. And it'll go back to the opposite direction a little bit. Just one click. I never knew you can put that up there. It's cool. 15.9 gallons, so almost 16 gallons. So, really cool. 87. Use the 87. Okay, the tires and wheels. The tire inflation pressure. 32 psi for front, 32 rear, spare 32 psi. Wheel size, that's the wheel size, and wheel nut torque 76 foot-pounds. And then, so tire size 230 piece 235, 55, 18, and 32 is your 32, 76 foot-pounds. So there. Okay, the hood, how to release the lock from the inside of the vehicle to open the hood. Pull the hood release lever, the hood will pop up slightly. So this is your steering wheel, it's right there. You just pull up on it as it shows. Lift the auxiliary catch lever and lift the hood. It's underneath here, just as it says. You pull that up, just under there. Hold the hood open by inserting the supporting rod into the slot, just like that. There you go. Here is the fuel type, unleaded gasoline only, 87 or higher, 15.9 gallons, oil capacity, without filter, 2.5 liter, 4.2 quarts, with, if that's the engine, with filter, this is the one you want, 4.7 quarts, that's for my vehicle right there. So it's that one, 4.7 quarts, which I just put 5 quarts in it. Maybe, I'll put like 4.8, 4.9. Alright. Here's when I change the oil. Let's see. May, oil filter. November, oil filter, OW20. April, oil filter, OW20, 9,000. New front tire. Oil filter 93, oil filter 95. I went crazy right there. Oil filter November 98,000. February 4 new tires. 2,000. Oil filter changed at Mom's driveway. COVID-19 19 days, whatever that is. Battery changed. Car sounds better driving. August. Oil changed. That means changed. That's triangle means changed. Change. 106,000. OW20 20 foot-pounds torque. At own driveway, and then that's where I'm at.
There's a black bird.
that bird. Go on. Eat that McDonald's. Yeah, that's a good paper bag. Go on. There you go. You got it. There you go. Get that bag. Good bird. Yeah, tear that bag apart. Yeah, you don't want that. Tear that bag apart. Go on. See, that's not pica. That's called pica, where you eat stuff that's not edible. Yeah, get that. Get that trash. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, you don't want that. Go ahead, get it. Get that trash, bird. Go on, get it. Yeah, get that trash. Yeah, we don't want no trash in that garbage can. We want a litter. Go on, bird, litter. Yeah, get that bag. I'm mad. Look how mad. You're mad. Get that trash. Who said humans litter? This bird's littering like crazy. Look at it. Get that trash. Go on. Don't you wish you had opposable thumbs? He's a mad bird. That's one mad bird there. How to look at a bird that's mad in a Toyota RAV4. Look at him. Slide. Alright. Future videos will have to do with vanity mirrors, sun visors, overhead console, moonroof switches, SRS curtain shield airbags, interior light, coat hooks, personal interior lights, rear view monitor system, anti-glare inside rear view mirror.